Have you ever considered investing in a business? It might seem daunting at first, but understanding the business model and evaluating the market potential can set a solid foundation for your investment journey. The process begins with a simple idea: understanding the business model. This ingenious concept is made possible by advancements in modern technology and the rise of the digital economy. The digital era has designed numerous platforms that cater to specific business needs, allowing potential investors to maximize their investment potential. These platforms, essentially serving as a digital marketplace, offer an easy, convenient, and safe avenue for you to invest in businesses. The first task in this process is to identify a platform that suits your needs. The options available are diverse, from local services that offer proximity advantages to internationally recognized platforms such as AngelList or Crunchbase. Choosing, however, is not a decision to be made lightly. It's crucial to consider several factors. User reviews can provide a first-hand account of the platform's reliability and efficiency. The platform's policies should also be closely scrutinized to ensure they offer sufficient protection for all parties involved in the transaction. And of course, it's necessary to evaluate if the platform aligns with your expectations, comfort level, and requirements. The selection process may indeed involve some research, but the effort you put in now will pay off in the future by ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. With a carefully chosen platform, you can begin to reap the benefits of this innovative business model. Step 2. Evaluate the market potential. This involves understanding the business's target market, competition, and industry trends. This primarily includes rudimentary information like the size of the target market and the business's competitive position, which can help potential investors identify promising opportunities amidst a sea of options. Then comes an essential part of the process: assessing the management team. A competent and experienced management team can significantly improve a business's chances of success. Consider their track record, their skills, and their commitment to the business. Step 3 revolves around calculating the return on investment. This is where you have the main say. You are at liberty to tailor your investment as per your preference. You could invest a lump sum amount or make periodic contributions. The choice is completely yours. Step 4. Manage your risks. Once your investment is made, it's important to regularly monitor the business's progress and the market trends. This includes understanding the risks associated with the business and the industry it operates in. By knowing these details, you can tailor your investment strategy to effectively manage these risks. Remember, it's crucial to maintain a balanced and diversified investment portfolio for an optimal investment experience. Regular reviews and adjustments can significantly enhance your overall returns. In addition to this, it's equally vital to thoroughly assess your financial goals and risk tolerance. A detailed study of your financial situation can help identify any potential gaps or limitations in your investment strategy. This includes understanding the extent of your risk tolerance and your financial goals. By knowing these details, you can tailor your investment strategy to effectively meet your financial goals. So why let that money sit idle in the bank when it could be making you more money? This question ignites a revolutionary thought, a new perspective on how we view our financial assets. Rather than seeing your money merely as a safety net, envision it as a potential gold mine. What if I told you that your savings could be transformed into a passive income source? Now hold that thought. Ever considered the idea of investing in a business? Sure, it may sound daunting at first, but with modern technology and the digital economy, it's easier than you might think. The concept is straightforward and the implementation requires minimal effort. The returns, however, are anything but minimal. Investing in a business could provide a steady stream of income, reducing your financial stress and paving the way towards greater economic freedom. It's an opportunity that is far too lucrative to ignore. Picture your money not just as a safety net, but as a venture, a business, an investment that could provide substantial financial returns and open up new doors for you. This could be your stepping stone towards achieving the elusive dream of financial independence. The reality is that time is of the essence, and so is your money's potential. Remember, time waits for no one, and neither should your money.